Alright guys, and so far we got a good bottom end. I'm pausing because I don't think you want to watch a, well, for you it'd be like 4-minute time lapse, but 40 minutes of me scraping this freaking gasket. This is the worst gasket on any Suzuki ever. So, I gotta scrape the stator. We still gotta put the starter back on, water pump back on, clean the breather, put the breather back on, although I'm changing this fitting. That is way too small. Clean the cams and everything up and box them because the head has to go off and get fixed. So this is probably about where I'm going to end the video off, just because there's not much left. I'll show you guys putting the head on and putting it in the bike and start up in the next video, but that's going to be later in the week, probably quite a bit later in the week. This is a double upload, hopefully. If not, it'll be the next day upload because my internet sucks. But yeah, considering what we started with, I mean, this was a giant ball of grime. All this was crap. We got a different crank in it. We're a stroker now. 3 mil, 1507 cc, 10 thou in the hole plus 30 thou gasket, 40 thou head to piston. I don't know what valve piston's going to be yet, but it's stock cam, stock valves, so I highly doubt it's going to be very close at all. I dusted all these pistons because the one had already started to melt, so I just matched them all. It was just easy. I was able to salvage them, so that is great news. My bearing tolerances, rods are at 2,000s. Mains are at 1 to 1.5 thousandths, so good and tight. Should have good, happy oil pressure. Cleaned everything out. The pan does clear. I measured. I have just short of 110 thousandths between the pan and the pickup. So some of our oil starvation is going to come from cold oil. We may run a thinner oil this year. I'm really thinking about it rather than running Rotella in this. 1540, running like Rotella 30 weight. Because this engine really doesn't see a lot of walloping. I mean, it's going to get its butt whooped, but not as bad as 100 proof. Transmission runs through the gears. Everything's good. Clutch is in. Starter drive's in. Everything's there. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for 1,000 subscribers, guys. I hope you guys keep watching. If you like what you see, hit that bell. If you like to see something specific, put it in the comments section. I'll try and make a video on it. If I got a bike around here and I can get permission from the owner to make a video, I will. If you bring a bike in here and you want your bike to be up here, a series like this, I can do that. That's not a problem. When I get busy, some of it's going to be more like this, where it's time-lapsed, but I'll try and do my best. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a beautiful day.